Open a Canva project page and let's change our background color to a gradient gray. Go to text and add a heading. Type in your text. In this case, we're trying to spell out Chanel in beat. So you type your first CH, duplicate that and type your AN, duplicate and type your EL. Go to Canvas and let's change all our text box to a bold font. I think I'll choose archival black. So you change all the text box to archival black. Increase the size of your text box, move that up. Increase the size of the second text box and move it aside. Increase the size of the last text box and bring it below. Go back to the first text box and duplicate. Go to Effect, choose Hollow and reduce the thickness to at least 20. Go to Color and change it to Gradient Gray. And come down to the second text box and repeat the process. Duplicate, go to Effect, choose Hollow, reduce the thickness to 20 and change the color to a gradient gray. Now repeat the same process for the last text box. Effect, Hollow, reduce the thickness to 20, change the color to a gradient gray. And once you're done, go to your upload and bring in the image you want to use for this poster. Remove the background and increase the size of your image. You need to make your image as bold as possible, covering the entire Canva. You'll see the reason in a few seconds. Once you've positioned your image, go to layers, show layers and move your image between the main letters and the hollowed letters. Trying to position my image properly. You could already see through the letters. I mean, see the image through the letters. That's the effect we are trying to achieve for this tutorial. Once you're done, go back to upload and bring in your other images. These ones are going to be in a smaller format, so you go to stroke style, choose line and repeat the same process for the next image. Go to layers and move that backwards and go back to text, add a subheading and type in Chanel. Change the font to Anton. I think we will choose a better font. I'm looking for Empathy. Yes, this is better, so move that up. Go back to text and add small letter box and type in whatever you want. In this case, I'm typing in elegance with everywhere. This is a clothes poster. Go to Canvas and choose Alex brush. And once you're done, that's it. Here is the final result. If you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly subscribe, comment, like, and share.